Welcome to Legendary Travel. Today we're exploring the enchanting city of Prague, your ultimate guide to its top sights, hidden gems and travel tips. From fairytale spires to cozy cafes, Prague blends centuries of history with vibrant modern energy. Let's get started. Begin at Prague Castle, the world's largest castle complex overlooking the city. Inside, marvel at St. Vitus Cathedral, where kings were crowned and buried. Arrive early for panoramic city views from the South Tower. The castle isn't just a building, it's a city within a city, packed with palaces, courtyards, and centuries of stories. Step inside St. Vitus Cathedral and be awed by the stained glass windows, including masterpieces by Alphonse Mucha. The scale and beauty are breathtaking. Wander through the old royal palace and imagine royal banquets and historic events. Climb the South Tower for a sweeping view of Prague's red rooftops and winding river. It's the perfect start to your Prague adventure. Take your time, this place is pure magic. Next, let's cross the river. Charles Bridge is a 14th century stone masterpiece lined with statues, one of Europe's most photogenic spots. Visit at sunrise for quiet golden light and mystical fog, or at sunset for lively street music and artists. Walking across, you're surrounded by history. Kings, lovers, and artists have all crossed here. Touch the ancient stone and feel the city's heartbeat. At sunrise, the bridge is peaceful and magical. At sunset, it's alive with music and energy. My advice? See it both ways. Each visit is a unique experience. Charles Bridge is the soul of Prague. Don't miss it. Head to Old Town Square and watch the astronomical clock strike the hour, Europe's third oldest working clock. The square is surrounded by pastel buildings, Gothic spires, and lively cafes. Grab a Tridelnik pastry, warm, sweet, and delicious. Find a bench, enjoy your treat, and soak in the atmosphere. The clock's quirky show delights crowds every hour. This is Prague at its most charming. Don't leave without tasting Czech classics like svikova beef in cream sauce gulas and world-famous Czech beer. Svikova is tender beef in creamy sauce with dumplings and cranberries, a must-try. Czech gulas is a hearty paprika-spiced stew, perfect after a day of exploring. Pair your meal with a crisp pilsner at a classic pub like Lokal Dluha. Czech beer is legendary, refreshing, affordable, and part of the culture. Enjoy the food, the beer, and the lively pub atmosphere. Na zdraví, to health. For the best city view, hike up to Letna Park. The climb rewards you with sweeping vistas of Prague's bridges, spires, and red rooftops. At the top, spot the giant metronome, a symbol of changing times. Grab a cold Czech beer at the laid-back beer garden. Watch the sunset over the city with locals and travelers alike. It's simple, beautiful, and unforgettable. This is the perfect place to relax. The John Lennon Wall in Malá is a living canvas of peace, love, and rebellion. Covered in ever-changing street art and messages, it began as a protest against communism. Bring a marker and add your own message. It's free and always evolving. The wall connects visitors from around the world. It's a colorful symbol of hope and freedom. Take a photo, leave your mark, and be part of Prague's story. It's a must-see for every traveler. Wenceslas Square is a grand boulevard and the heart of modern Czech history. At the top stands the National Museum, a treasure trove of Czech culture and history. Explore the museum's fascinating exhibits, from natural history to art. The square buzzes with shops, street performers, and local life. It's a place where history and the present meet. Don't miss this essential slice of Prague. For a romantic view, take a sunset cruise on the Vltava River. Float past Prague Castle, Charles Bridge, and colorful riverside homes, all beautifully lit. The city's architecture glows as the sun sets and lights flicker on. It's a peaceful, magical way to see Prague, perfect for ending your day. You'll fall in love with the city all over again. If Prague wasn't on your list, we hope it is now. Drop a comment with your dream stop and don't forget to like and subscribe. Every corner of Prague tells a story. Ancient bridges, vibrant art, and lively squares. Until next time, keep exploring and chasing those legendary moments.